Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of the Fish Market Day, where the day starts with a heavy rain. When I mean a heavy rain, I mean a heavy downpour. And today we are going to be capturing the beautiful sights and sounds of the bustling Fish Market Day. It's actually very hard to navigate the market today because of the rain. And another thing that we are going to be doing here is to know the current prices of fish. Actually, during the rainy season, the prices of fish tend to get higher because the fishermen, it's so hard for them to even catch fish, honestly, and the prices are going to be doubling. Last 2 months, I was here to get some fish. The fish that I got for like 2,000 naira is going to be selling for 4,000 naira in the market today. I got it and I bought it, guys. Now let's get into the market and see what is actually happening today in this fish market day. When we got to the market, the fish market sellers are just coming to the market. Some of them have already displayed their goods, and as you can see, they're already on display. So right now, this woman just opened her fish, and the people that are going to be selecting from this fish are the wholesalers or the retailers. Maybe if you want to buy from her and she doesn't sell one pieces, it needs to be on counting. One of that fish that she's holding, the ones that are in stick, is going for 4,000 naira for one stick. You are going to be selecting like up to 20 pieces before she sells for you. She doesn't sell retail prices, she sells for wholesale prices. So if you are into wholesale and retail, you can come here early in the morning. As early as 7 o'clock, the market will be opened and you can meet some of these people. You can see they are dragging to select their fish.
This one how much? How much last?
This one our brown, this one our brown, this one's not Chinese.
Okay. This one about. This one. How much?
How much last? Sir, why you go sell them? 50, how you go sell them?
Okay.
Don't sell that one, eh? Why the price?
This one was select. Why not check it?
So which one?
On this one? Why is the video on this? Make your yank, shoot my yank, wrap
Big one, oh, we get meat. I mean, we get juice.
I don't buy.
Buy you, what's that going
Why? This one gas ban at 13,000.
This fish is sweet.
Very sweet fish.
Yes, na range for
Na 13 last.
Your mama call you this morning.
Na 13,000 last.
us
If they go with that kind of thing, then I first people, then I put banga, any kind of one they go. No,
Hey, you don't stamp
they pay me 12 and not sell. Now 14 and they put the price, but not 13.
See meat 4,000 naira. Oh. Nigeria na the see. Come closer. Oh, meat 4,000. You say that okay? Meat 7,000 naira. You say na 7 at the price 4,000. Mama no gree for waiting na. Eh?
Okay, now half you want it.
Bonga na much.
How much you want to pay for that?
Now this 6,000. What do they buy? He call me some. See me.
She don't come.
I say come, come go again.
Na my leg need a mic. Sorry.
The fish marketplace is more than just a place to buy seafood. The market also hosts other food items and home materials. You can also come here and buy different kinds of things. This was me when the rain was even falling. Oh my god, it was something else. During rainy season, the fishermen really do struggle during the rainy season because they battle the elements to bring in the freshest catch. You understand? As you can see, all these fish, they are very, very beautiful and fresh. And if they are not fresh, nobody is going to buy them.
She know. Black said she no get back. The fish were apart today.
That is small.
Eh? For mama not to see bonga fish today. There is a problem. Hey, you know. There is a problem. Wow. Imagine. For her not to see fish. This fish makes sense, y'all. Abi? Still try. Omo, you hang me for there.
Normally, during rainy season, the fish tends to be very, very scarce and very, very expensive. So we went to our customer that used to sell bonga fish for us, and she couldn't find bonga fish in the market for her to resell. That was what she was complaining. In fact, Mama is one of the biggest plug in this market that sells bonga fish to retailers like us, and also for consumers. So if you need nice bonga, let me know. She used to sell very fine bonga fish in this particular market.
I must see go be.
There's one part I edited in this video. When we went to buy prawn, crayfish, So I was videoing the crayfish, and one of the neighbor of the person started challenging me that I should drop my phone, that I'm covering them, that I thought or I think that they are illiterate, that I've been videoing the market. That why am I videoing the market? That I said, how can I give you my phone? I cannot give you my phone. It was like, anywhere that I want to take this video to, that you should return back to me. If I'm using this video for evil thing or anything, that you should come back. I told her, look, this video is for education to let people know what people are doing in this market. And I used to come here and source for fish for my customers as well.
We get 8,000 for that side. Yeah, that's not picking. Yes.
So we managed to see this fine, beautiful bonga fish, and it's going for 25 pieces for 10,000 naira. Inside the market, you will see bonga fish, but they are small, small bonga fish, unlike the ones that we used to buy. And I begged the woman for 8,000 naira. I even begged her to give me half of it because I don't think I need 25 pieces. She said no, that she's not selling, that there's no bonga fish in the market. And I told her, okay, if you can give me like 8,000 naira, I can be able to buy it. I don't have that particular amount to buy the bonga fish. Going through the market during this rainy season, it was so difficult for me, honestly. I couldn't even capture most of the videos, beautiful fish that I saw in the market because of the rain, because I was avoiding slippery legs so that my legs will not slip, and so that I will not lose my phone and break my phone. So it's so difficult, and these are the struggles that the women in the market are facing, selling their items. That day the rain was so much, honestly. And there was even a news that two boats carrying heavy supply of fish that day, that their boat capsized. It's unfortunate.
Don't even video with him. That be lie. I'll go put that with 30,000 and you'll come out. That baby just is slow.